Hello students, in this video I will be explaining exercises concerning table data. Question number 1 here. Several English professors categorized the literary works from their seminars by time period and length, as shown in the table. According to the table, what percent of the literary works with 500 or more pages are from the 19th century? So, first, we need to look at the literary works that are 500 or more pages. What percentage of the total is from the 19th century, which is 6 divided by 12? So, 6 divided by 12 is the percentage of the 19th century from the total, which is equal to 1 half, which is 0.5. Accordingly, this is 50% of the total. So my answer would be choice number C. Going to question number 2 now. Guilherme asked the 10th and 11th graders at his school which sport they preferred between basketball and football. The table below displays a portion of the results. If 20% of the surveyed students who prefer football are in 10th grade, then how many of the surveyed 11th graders at Guilherme's school prefer basketball? Now, looking at the table, we notice that this value is for the 20% who from the 10th graders who prefer football over basketball. Thus, this 30 students is equal to X, which is the total of students in the 10th grade, multiplied by 0.2, which is the percentage. Thus, my total number of students who prefer football are 30 divided by 0.2. Thus, it is 150 students who prefer football. And now, looking at the table again, we replace X by 150, and then we notice that the 11th graders who prefer football over basketball should be 150 minus 30, which is 120. Accordingly, looking at the 11th graders only, there are 166 total students, out of which 120 prefer football, so there are 46 who prefer basketball in the 11th grades. So the answer is choice number B. Going further to question number 3, a science textbook has 4 chapters, each with a number of skills problems and of analysis problems. A table representing this information is on the right. Based on the table, which of the following statement is true? Now, if we look at the table, we have those information. Looking at our choices now, 4 over 39 of all analysis problems are found in chapter 4. They are saying that 4 over 39 of all analysis problems is found in chapter 4, which is okay in this case. So this is okay. Looking at choice number B, 21 over 89 of all analysis problems are found in chapter 2. This is actually not right, since 21 over 89 of all problems, the total problems, and not the analysis problems. Okay, so it's the analysis problems plus the skills problems are found in chapter 2. 12 over 23 of all problems in chapter 1 are skills problems. So 12 over 23 of all problems in chapter 1 are in skills problems, which is wrong. This should be 11 over 23 and not 12 over 23. Or you should replace, instead of skills, probably analysis. Then it would be okay. Choice number D now, so number B and C are wrong. Choice number D, 2 over 3 of all problems in chapter 2 are skills problems. So let's look at the problems in chapter 2. So skills problems are how many in proportion to the total? They are 10 over 21, if you can notice, which is different than 2 over 3. Thus, problem D is wrong. Choice D is wrong, and my only solution would be choice A. Going further to exercise number 4. Victor decides to try 3 different routes to work for a period of 40 days. In the table below, he tracked whether he arrived to work late or on time each time that he used a particular route. According to the table, what is the probability that Victor was late given that he used A? So we already know that he used the route A, thus we are looking at this row only. We should disregard all of the other rows. Given that he went through route A, what was the probability that he was late? And that's 6 over the total, which is choice number D. Question number 5. Connie is investigating the use of preservatives in boxed cereals with a focus on BHT and vitamin E for a class project. She reads the ingredients on the backs of various boxed cereals, and tabulates her findings as seen in the table below. What fraction of corn-based cereals in Connie's data do not use preservatives at all? So we need to look at the fraction of corn-based cereals, which is this column only. And of those, what is the percentage that the corn cereals do not use preservatives, which is this case? It's 4 out of the total, which is 4 out of 42, which is, after simplifying, is equal to 2 out of 21, and thus my answer would be choice number B. Thank you for watching this video.